it's gonna go into this stage. This stage is rinsing. Rinsing the aluminum, making sure it's all cleaned up. Stage number 2, it's gonna be a degreaser rinse. You can see it's a 360-degree nozzles that shoot the aluminum and making sure every single piece of the aluminum gets the rinsing. Stage number 3 is gonna be acid wash. Another water and then into another rinse, getting that acid wash all cleaned up and ready for the next stage. Stage number 6, it's gonna be zirconium coating, one of the most important stages of all. After the zirconium coating, we're gonna do DI water rinse. And then the last rinse will be reverse osmosis water just to get that fine, clean finish. And then we're running into, after the reverse osmosis rinse, your aluminum is silky smooth, clean. We're gonna go into a hot, caliente, pre-treat oven. So this oven is before the real process coming out. This is just to make sure the aluminum dries off with all the chemicals, all the rinses. If we're gonna do a primer, this is where we're gonna do our primer coating. This is a mini oven, 40 foot, 400 degrees. After that, we're getting into the final stages of all. I'm gonna show you here. This is our grounding machine. It's gonna make sure that powder flies into the aluminum and attaches into it with a grounding process. In this process, the powder is in the box. The electrostatic process machine is gonna run that and it's gonna ground. The aluminum is grounded. That powder is gonna fly and shoot into the aluminum because the aluminum is grounded. It's gonna attach into the aluminum, and that way we also doing 2 boots, one right, one left, making sure it's 360 degrees attachment and no missing points. Full quality control, as you can see. Follow me. Right section, left section, another electron, and then from here, a little LED strip just to check that all the powder coat was attached correctly. If anything, we stop the line, take it off, and repowder. And then from here, we're going into this massive 110 linear foot, one of the biggest ovens in the United States, 400 degrees, making sure your powder coat will be baked into our aluminum at the best possible way. So we're able to do those big beams for the gates and the patio covers. There you go. Now the last stage, it's gonna be a cooling room with a lot of LEDs, making sure everything was done right and no damages. This is our cooling room, final stages, comes off the hangers, into the wrapping, into your door. That was a little bit about our process here from the extrusion plant into our 7-stage architectural powder coating. This is 7-stage. The difference between 7-stage and traditional powder coating is 7-stage run all these processes we just went through. Traditional, just to clean, they just clean with acid, put it in a small mini oven, and there you go. The applicant cannot get approved for architectural, so the warranty will never be architectural, and the longevity maximum of durability won't be there. So 7-stage architectural is the right way to get that 2604 with the architectural finish by ALU Globus. Get your quotes done, get your products done. Check out brand new products coming out every other month. See you, ALU Globus. We're leading the industry with the gates, fence, wall cladding, and patios, so you guys can put the best distance for your home. So that was a little bit about our process. Hope you learned a lot. See you guys.